Hi, sixth graders. I am going to show you how to upload your poster that you created into the Schoology media album. Okay, so depending on if you did yours on paper or if you did it on Google Drive, there'll be two different ways to get started. So I'll show you both. So the first one, if you did yours on a sheet of paper, here's mine, okay, my smiley face, you're going to want to take a picture of it. And I'll ask that if you can, if you have a phone available to take a picture with, use that, because if you take a picture using your Chromebook camera, it will be flipped around and be backwards, okay? So I took a picture of it with my phone. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the lower left hand corner and there's that little like square with the arrow pointing up. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to allow me to email this or message it to myself. I'm actually going to airdrop it just because that's easiest for me. You're probably not going to be able to airdrop to your Chromebook, so you'll need to email it to yourself, which works. So I'm going to email it here, and my picture showed up. Show you over here, so I'm going to accept it, and I'm going to save it in my downloads. And then I'm going to open it, and once it's open, sorry you can't see it, there we go, I will save this. I'm going to save it onto my desktop. If on your Chromebook, you'll just go into, click on it on your email, and you should be able to download it just right to your computer or right to your Chromebook. So I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to rename it here, Power to the Planet 1. And I'm going to save it onto my desktop. On your Chromebook, it will go automatically into your downloads. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you if you did it using Google Drive. So the biggest part is that we need these to be either in a JPEG or a PDF in order for them to work. It's not going to work in any other format. So this one is now saved to my desktop as a JPEG. So if I used Google Drive, I open up my Google Drive, and what you don't want to do is you don't want to just share it. That's not going to matter. What we need to do is save it as either a JPEG or a PDF. So I'll go to File, and you're going to go to Download, and you can download it either as a PDF or a JPEG. I'll do a JPEG. This is Power to the Planet on my desktop, and I'll hit save. Okay, so now I'm ready to upload it into the media album. So I'm going to open up on the agenda here. I'm going to click right here on Schoology Media Album. And this is going to bring up this media album here. You'll click on Add Media, Attach Files, and now here is where the list of the things that you downloaded is going to show up on your Chromebook, so you should be able to find yours in there. So I have two, so I'll do both of them. So here's the first one. So I find it and hit open, and once it loads, then I click Add Media, and my media should show up right here. I do want to add a caption to it because I want to put my name so that everybody knows that it is from me. And hit save. Okay, and back to album. So now my drawing or my poster shows up right here. So I'll show you one more time with the other one. So add media, attach files, find your document. Here's my smiley face. Click open. Then once it's done, hit add media. I can add my caption there as well. This is Johnson. Save changes. Okay, now I can go back to the album and I can see mine. And what should happen as more and more people post them in your class, you'll see everybody's posted on there. Okay, then on Friday, what you're going to do is you're going to make 2 comments on people's posters. Now, you're not really making a comment on how well they did or anything like that. What you're commenting on is what theirs is about. So you're looking at the different energy sources and looking at some of the advantages and disadvantages of those energy sources. And so what you'll do is you'll click on it and make a comment. So to make comments, you can just click, and then down at the bottom, you'll make a comment. So I might say, this type of energy is so good for the environment, or whatever, okay? And then I hit post, and then it shows up. Remember, your name is attached with that. They need to be appropriate and need to be positive comments, okay? And then I can always go back to the album. Where is it? Power to the Planet Media album. Okay. And so you will make comments on two people's posters that way. Sound good? Let me know if you have any questions.